Hello everyone, today I've got a 2020 Kia Sorento and I'm going to be cleaning and inspecting the manifold absolute pressure sensor or MAP sensor. I'm not having any problems with it, but what I do is every time I change out the air filter, I clean the MAP sensor. MAP sensor it measures the vacuum pressure in the system and it adjusts the fuel in response to the vacuum pressure. So if you're having problems with rough idling, poor fuel economy, you may want to inspect your MAP sensor, clean it or replace it. It's a pretty easy job and I'll show you the location of it in this car. So it's down by your the intake. It's this area right here and it's held on with one bolt, and so it's got electrical clip. And to start out, I'll undo the electrical clip. It's got a tab on the back side. Press down on the tab and pull down. That separates it. All right, so now I'll start removing that. It's an 8mm socket. I'm using a deep well socket. You don't have to. It's just what I have. Using it for extension. All right, so I got that out. Now I can pull the MAP sensor out. And that's the MAP sensor. What I'm going to do is spray some mass airflow cleaner in there. Make sure this is clean. But first I'm going to check for continuity. So I got my multimeter, and it's got 4 terminals, and I'm check for continuity in each terminal. So I set it up on 1. I got my resistance at 20,000, and I'm just checking for continuity at each one. Yes, I've got 3.67 on that one, 2.5, and 3.84. So I got continuity. Sensor is good. Now I'm just going to clean it out using mass airflow sensor cleaner. All right, so I got some cleaner on there. I'm going to wipe it down, and yep, that looks good. Okay, so the insulation is the same, just reverse. So we got the cleaner, the clean part on there. Put it into position, and there's 1 bolt that I replaced. Okay, use my 8mm socket, snug it up. All right, I'll put the electrical connector back on and just clicks into place. There we go. All right, there's a little bit of difficulty getting it up there. I guess I just didn't have it aligned. Okay, so that's all there is to the MAP sensor cleaning and inspection in the Kia Sorento.